Hi everybody, it's me, Jara Bee. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is a what's in my bag on this Coach Rambler 16 in the color Hibiscus, okay? I purchased this bag back in 2021. It was at the end of the hype of this bag, and I remember I saw it on Coach Cray's channel and Mama Beach. So I really wanted the hibiscus color. I knew that the bag was kind of small for me, but I still wanted it. I wanted to try to carry this little bag right here. Okay, she's so cute. All right, here's the side. Here is the back. There's a slip pocket here, and I do have my phone in here. Okay, this is one of those bags that I kind of like love to hate, you guys, because it's just a little bit too small for me. Here's the other side. Here's the Coach tag. The hardware is that brushed gold. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustment holes here. The strap is detachable, turn lock. Okay, flap opens like that. There it is. So anyway, let me finish. I wanted to tell you guys a little story about this bag, because I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out, okay, as I tell you this quick story. So anyway, Coach Cray's channel, I think her name is Alana. If that is not her, if I didn't say her name right, it's something similar to that, said that she saw this bag in a Coach boutique. Here's my glasses. So I am able to get my glasses in here. So at the time, she had mentioned, Coach Craze had mentioned how she saw the bag. She knew for sure that her store had the hibiscus color. Look right here, you guys. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Coach Genuine Leather. This is glove tan leather. All right. So here's a pocket here. And let me continue on here. So anyway, she has said the name of the store in the state of Texas. I'm in the state of Ohio, and I contacted that store, and I was able to, here's my wallet, I was able to purchase this bag from Texas. Anyway, this is my wallet. All right, there's that. I really like this wallet. Get my ID out of here. I really like this wallet right here, you guys, by the sack. It looks like this. And those ladies were so helpful. They were fantastic in helping me purchase this bag in this particular color hibiscus from their boutique. Okay, so it does have a interior back zippered pocket that you see here, and I have my little notebook, and I have the little pen. You guys see this in just about all of my videos. And then I was able to have stuff this little pouch right here that I got from one of the discount online stores, y'all. Temu, whatever the other one is, I can't remember. So I don't remember exactly which one of those places that I ordered this from. But anyway, I have my lip gloss in there by Fruit Fetish. I love this stuff. I have a lotion by La Acton. Then I have this lip balm by Palmer's, and it has SPF in it. So that's what I have there. And then I have some receipts because I was running some errands. I really wanted to test this bag a little bit, you know. It's too small for me, like I said, but I was trying to make it work. I have a handkerchief, and then I also have my AirPod Pros. I am able to get this smaller size taser in there. And then I have this little pouch that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I have gum and some mints in here. And that's basically it. And then there's some change, some coins. I am going to move out of her. I've been in this bag for about a week, and I really had to make myself carry this bag, you guys. And I think I told you what I have in this pocket right here, just in case I forgot. There's hand sanitizer, some wet ones, a little peel case that has some Tylenol in it, a small little dental floss because I hate to have anything stuck in my teeth, and a shout wipe to go. It was a struggle for me, you guys, to stay in this bag. I was anxious to do this video because I'm so ready to move out of it because it's a little too small, but it will remain in my collection. That is all that I have in this cutie pie of a little purse. I am able to get my keys in there. That is all. And I'm kind of like, these are my essentials. I have to have this in my purse, y'all. And I struggle to carry my basic essentials in this purse. It's a bit of a struggle, okay? So here she is, but I'm going to keep her because one day, my receipts, I'll put those to the side. Because one day I know that it won't be so hard for me to carry this little cutie pie. Also, I'm going to try to include some mod shots of me wearing her and what she looks like on my frame. So yeah, that is the Coach Rambler. Oh, just in case anyone is curious, the nail polish that I'm wearing is by Essie, and the color name is Jamaica Me Crazy. I think it's fun. It kind of complements or matches the purse a little bit, so I did do that on purpose. Thank you. I appreciate all of my new subscribers and my existing subscribers. Thanks, everybody. I'll talk to you again soon.